Hello. As many universities are moving more and more to online classes, many professors are moving to take-home exams or take-home quizzes instead of in-person exam. This is a form of evaluation that is very common in social sciences, including in political science and public policy. So here is a 2-minute video with 3 pointers to help you dominate your own take-home exams. The first one is that each answer should have a clear thesis statement that summarizes your answer. Now, your thesis statement is not your full answer. It is a claim that is then supported by further arguments and analysis. Yet, the thesis statement really puts it in your face that your answer is XYZ. An easy trick to know if you have a good thesis is, can somebody disagree with me on this position? If they can, if there is a counterpoint to your answer, then you probably have a good thesis. And this is particularly true if it is an argumentative essay. Another note is that often it is safer to take a clear stance on an answer for a take-home exam than to be nuanced in your answer. This is because there are often restrictions in the number of words for take-home evaluations, and so it's probably easier to take a clear stance even if your own position is more nuanced. Keep the nuanced positions for your semestral papers. A second point that I want to bring up is that successful take-home essays and take-home exams will have an explicit engagement with the course readings. You don't often have to do research for your take-home exams and find your own resources. However, it is encouraged to use references from the syllabus itself. If anything, it proves to the evaluator that you're taking the course seriously and that you're not just connecting to your university online platform to answer the take-home exam and not actually following your courses the other weeks. 3, and this might be the most important point of all, and it applies to all submissions in social sciences, which is presentation, presentation, presentations. Avoid typos, use the recommended citing format, and write short, efficient sentences. Remember, graders, and this is true for TAs or professors, often have hundreds of questions to correct in just a few days, especially if this is a midterm take-home exams. So we as correctors, we're looking for clues or minimal requirements that proves us that you did the work correctly. And an in-your-face thesis, an explicit engagements with the readings in the syllabus, and short, consistent sentences can really help you dominate your take-home exams. Finally, as always, make sure that you read carefully the questions in the exams. The instructions are also important, especially the evaluation criteria, before you do anything else. So, good luck in your take-home exam.